Zinhle Maditla, the mother who pleaded guilty to 4 counts of premeditated murder, will be sentenced today in the Witbank Magistrate's Court in Mpumalanga. Maditla admitted to feeding her 4 children rat poison after she discovered their father was seeing another woman. The decomposing bodies of the children were found in December last year. Joining me now on the line is our reporter Zinhle Maditla, who's attending that sentencing today. Zinhle, we expect the sentencing procedures to begin today in that High Court that's sitting in Middleburg. What should we expect? What's going to be happening in court?
Good morning, Badan. Yes, indeed, sentencing proceedings are beginning here in the Middleburg High Court. That's actually sitting in the Magistrate's Court. We are expecting the proceedings to start in the next 10 to 15 minutes or so. What we understood, of course, was that when the matter went to trial, Badan, on the very first day, Zinhle Maditla's lawyer, in fact, said that his client would be pleading guilty to all 4 counts of premeditated murder and was actually going to ask the court for mercy. So the trial did not even last more than a couple of hours. The judge was at pains, really, to ensure that Maditla understands what it means by her admitting guilt. The lawyer said that she does fully understand, and after that, the guilty verdict was then handed down by Judge Sheila Mphahlele. Now, following that, we're supposed to have sentencing proceedings, and what we understood from Maditla's lawyer was that she was actually going to take the stand and ask the court for mercy. But then those sentencing proceedings were then postponed to today because her lawyer then requested a pre-sentencing report. And what that report really does, it gives the court some kind of understanding as to why the offense was committed, how the perpetrator feels about it now, their family background, and their work circumstances, just to give the court a clearer understanding on who is standing before them. And what I understood from Maditla's lawyer was that this pre-sentencing report was requested because it doesn't seem as though Maditla is emotionally stable to take the stand. While she may be fit to stand trial, and all her mental evaluations say that she is a normal person, she can't emotionally take the stand for too long. So he does intend on ensuring that she does go into the witness box, but it doesn't seem as though she can talk for a very long time because he says that all she does is cry constantly. It does seem as though she is regretful, she is remorseful, and I think it's going to be up to the court to see just how remorseful she really is in order to hand down a sentence, because she is facing multiple life sentences.
Should we expect these sentencing procedures today, Zinhle, to be very long?
We don't expect them to be very long. The defense is only going to call Zinhle Maditla as their witness, and the state, as I understood, had 3 witnesses. It could include Maditla's mother and possibly the fathers of the 4 children who may be taking the stand, but we don't know as yet exactly who those witnesses are. Those were just those were the names that were given during the bail proceedings. So things may have changed between then and now, but we don't expect a long sentencing process. She may possibly get her sentencing later this week. Of course, the judge will then have to apply her mind with the evidence before her and take into consideration what Zinhle Maditla is going to be telling her on the stand today.
Thank you very much, Zinhle Maditla, ENC reporter on the ground there.